I was thinking about this for quite a while to see if it would actually work. I was bored. And so I jotted down just whatever popped into my head, and so I have some sentences that are in Calla. So let's try them out, and you'll get an idea of how to put things together. Again, don't try to memorize these as specific sentences, just get the idea of how we're modifying words and putting them together to make concepts. So if I want to say, I'm leaving, let's simplify that to I go. So that would just simply be Yi-illa, Yi-illa. Very easy, right? If we want to say it's raining, it happened to be when I wrote this, we just can exclaim rain, or we can say that rain comes. So how do we express rain? Well, let's see. It's water from the sky, right? So let's combine those two concepts. Adjectives go before what they modify, so we would say uaekum. Uaekum is rain. You can simply say that. Or if you want to express specifically that it's coming now, like it's raining right now, you can say uaekum ek. Uaekum ek. So the rain is coming. So maybe that rain made you cold. So you could say Yi yonita. Yi yonita. So the small temperature, I. So I, small temperature. Yi yonita. If you want to make that a question, you just change it to second person or third person, and then add the inflection at the end. So you yonita vi. You yonita vi. Are you cold? So what if I want to give something to someone else? So let's just say, go give this to John. So I'm going to tell somebody how to do something, and then where to go, all of that together. Pretty complex sentence. We say, you ella, you go. You la ye John. So we don't have a word for John. So we just insert that word, that noun, as into the language. So if someone was named John, or whatever they happen to be named, you could just insert that. So you ella, you la ye John. So you go, you convey this or give this to John. What that yet is would be cleared up from the context. So maybe after you went to go give that to John, you were very tired. And so you could say that you're tired. You could say, Yi yoni, Yi yoni. So your vitality is small. Now, if you want to modify that and make it very tired, we use the concept of increasing. So we use the whoosh word. So we would say, Yi whoosh yoni ta. Oh, not ta, sorry. Yi whoosh yoni. Yi whoosh yoni. So I'm very tired. So maybe we want to ask where John got that, whatever that thing is that we gave him. So how would we say, where did you get that? You could say, ye ek oe vi. Ye that ek oe vi. The place it came from. Remember that you modify things by placing the modifier in front of the word that's modifying. So in this case, place. So the come place, the place it came from, what is it? If we want to ask, are you okay? We can say, you are oui. You are oui. So you, positive good, question. If you want to say you speak this language, very simply, Yi la Calla. Yi la Calla. I speak or convey this language, or understanding in general. If we want to talk about something practical, food, cooking, how do we say, please cook this? So even the concept of asking someone to do something. We don't really have that in this language. We're just going to tell them to do it, and we're going to use our attitude and our gestures to clarify our intention. So it could be commanding, or it could be requesting based on the way we convey it. So if we want to say it politely, we would say, you, hum. You home? You home? Like, can you cook this, please? Make this, please? Basically, what you're saying is you heat food. You heat food. If we want to talk about the weather, maybe it's cleared up, not raining anymore. So how would we say it's sunny? You could just say good weather, right? You could say the sky is good. So you could say ka uae ka uae. If you want to say specifically the outside, like you could add that oe. So then it would be ka oe uae ka oe uae. But we're getting a little complicated. So I think you could probably just say ka uae. So outside is clear, and you like that. So wait there. You want to tell somebody don't come. You would say simply you, not come. You rek, you rek, you rek. And maybe we just want to say, I think it's dead. So we can say that too. First, you can say it's dead. Yeah, yeah. And then we can add I think. So yeah, 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 yeah. Very simple. I'm sure if you take a minute and play with it, you realize that you can say a world of things with just these few words. So is it silly? Yes. Is it practical? Not really. But you can use it if you want to. And I think I have beaten Tokipona at being the simplest language, but I'll leave that for linguists to debate. Just go ahead and have fun with it. Let me know what you think. You can check out some of the details in the lexicon below. Thank you.